Men eat your money.
Eat your money?
Yeah.
Men eat your money?
Summertime in account.
Hey! Hey! Wow! Thank you so much, bro. Claudia works. This guy does not like Vybz Kartel tattoos.
Yes.
Say.
Filipina Salanganga.
We are back in the street, so welcome back. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. And guys, let's explore the streets together. So guys, today I will be walking in the streets, interviewing people. I have some several questions that I will be asking people. So come with me, and guys, let me know if you like the video. Also, hi. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we interact with more people. I know these guys have me. Hi bro.
Rada.
How are you?
Fine.
Long time.
Long time.
Eh, kitambo sana. Wasalimia pale na lugha ya kwenu.
Kurigara. Kama ni dodi Dennis. Tutawira duvizili. Keep it locked.
Let's not get Vybz Kartel. Today we are going to discuss about Vybz Kartel. I know most of African people, also Kenyans, love these guys so much. So, you know Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, Vybz Kartel, I know.
You know Vybz Kartel. Who is Vybz Kartel?
Okay, Vybz Kartel is the dancehall king.
Dancehall king.
Bila doubt, bila nini, dancehall king. Yeah.
Okay, is there any specific thing apart from him being a musician you love about him?
Okay, Vybz Kartel, ako influential. Vybz Kartel, ako talented, multi-talented. Vybz Kartel, he's a superstar.
Hey, a superstar.
Vybz Kartel is superstar. Anajijua.
Okay, anything about, maybe you dislike about him?
Okay, Vybz Kartel, maybe after prison, I think Vybz Kartel may change.
He has changed.
Before he was arrested, Vybz Kartel alikuwa arrogant kiasi, you know.
Hey, before he was arrested, he was arrogant. I'm trying to translate for them.
Okay, Vybz Kartel, he's a non-believer. In an interview, I heard him say he's not religious, you know. He's not religious. So that thing pia inaniweka tu nisimlike, lakini hizo vitu zingine yako sawa.
Everything apart from him being non-religious, everything else is okay.
Yeah.
Okay, a message to Vybz Kartel, all and fun who's watching this
Okay,
video.
Vybz Kartel, okay. Hata vile arrestiwa, so he should sing songs inspiring the youth, because he's a influence to the youth, you know. He should guide them. He should sing songs guiding them. So now he tries to teach the youth to avoid crime, drugs.
Oh, so this is the high time because he is from prison to teach young people not to do crime. You guys.
That's it, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, this guy knows me and I know him too. So it's not the first time I'm here. You have been seeing him on my videos. Anyway, I should give him a hug, right? Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Naitwa Deno.
Yes, Dennis.
And the teacher too.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ghetto
Dennis.
teacher.
I'll come you teach me, right?
When you're teaching. Excuse me, but
So guys, we are still in the street. Hi bro, you want to say hi to my fans?
Hi. I'm gonna say something else.
Hey, say something.
I'm gonna say something else.
Say.
Filipina Salanganga. Thank you.
Pia mimi napenda hiyo. Napenda hiyo mimi. Gaza forever.
Thank you so
Ngoja tu anamuona.
Come bro. Kuja kidogo.
Nikuje.
So tuko hapa na wewe leo. We are talking about Vybz Kartel, eh? You know Vybz Kartel?
No.
You don't know Vybz Kartel?
World boss.
Yes.
World boss. Big name World boss.
A big name. Come and tell us about Vybz Kartel.
Yuko.
Kuja utambie.
The government wants to I'm a refugee in my own country. I don't know much about it. But I love the word boss.
Okay.
Because he has the message.
He has the
For
message.
the wheels. No oppression.
No pressure.
Against the government. Yeah, that's a very good thing. Thank you.
Okay. Apart from that, apart from knowing Vybz Kartel as an artist, what else do you love about Vybz Kartel?
I love about his songs.
The songs.
His songs are very good. Yeah, they got the message.
They got the message.
Yeah, to the youth.
Kamoja. Kama tukapa na wewe na kusaidia kidogo. Though I'm not fan of music, eh?
Even me too, I'm not fan of
Tuwaonyeshe
but I
kidogo
love it the
pale.
way.
Kamoja ka chorus. Let's go.
Maybe next time. Next time I say next time. He has already done it once.
Huyu ametuambia wewe nataka utuonyeshe ka chorus kidogo.
I can't remember. Maybe I put one playlist, then we can sing together.
Hapa tuwezi weka juu ya copyright. Tunaenda kuweka YouTube. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Claudia
last time.
Claudia works on YouTube.
One love.
One love.
Claudia works on YouTube.
Yes, kila mali ni Claudia works. So keep on following me, guys. Someone is behind the camera, so don't worry. This is Claudia back in the streets like I never left. I hope you're enjoying this video. Comment down below if you love Vybz Kartel, what you love about Vybz Kartel. I'm not a fan of music actually, I won't lie, but remember this guy is out of prison. What do Kenyan people, what do African people think about him? Because most of people here love him so much, and I just want to know what they love about him. So stay tuned. And guys, remember I did not introduce the streets I'm in, but the guys I'm trying to interview, to interact with, they already said we are in the streets of Isili, right? Okay. Hi, how are you, bro? Oh, you happy to see me? Come say hi to my fans then.
What's up? Welcome to Isli.
Thank you.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Mr. Man.
Mr. Man, what do you
Mr. Man.
normally do here in Isili?
I'm a hustler.
You are a hustler.
Yeah, everything that is good, do it.
We do it.
Yeah.
Okay, today we are in the street and we are talking about Vybz Kartel. You know Vybz Kartel?
Vybz Kartel, the
Yes.
former musician
Yes.
from Jamaica.
Yes.
I know him.
You know him? What
Yeah.
do you like about him?
I love his music. Yeah, but I don't know too much about his life. But I heard before he was convicted. Is he still in prison or he was?
No, he's out of prison.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay, one message to him.
To Vybz Kartel,
Yes.
keep it up, man.
Okay, kuja tuangeshe pamoja hapo kwa bibi. Sawa, later that guy is still at work, so we have to respect him. Let's keep on going around. Hi, how are you doing? Aish. Fine, thank you. I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. Wasalimie.
Hello guys. What's your name?
I'm Claudia.
Claudia. On YouTube?
Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walk.
Yes.
I'm gonna follow you.
You gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Bye.
Are you a fan of music?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you know a guy known as Vybz Kartel?
Yeah.
What do you know? What do you know about him?
He was in prison the other day.
Yeah? He is out now.
Yeah, sure.
Do you know one of his songs?
I do not know.
Tuonyeshe kidogo kale unajua tu. Okay. So make sure you follow pale kwa YouTube, Claudia Walks. Is John Wambua TV. Yes, we are all YouTubers. We are exploring these beautiful streets. Yes, we are showcasing Africa to the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Karibu. For the first time. That was my first lady to meet here in Isli. Oh, ladies are so shy, but where? Hi. How are you? You want to say hi? Yes, and guys, people are guessing always behind the camera. Yes, behind the camera. Behind the camera. John Wambua TV. Actually, guys, we are exploring this beautiful street. Have you ever been into Isili?
Yes, I've been to Isili, but I haven't done content on Isili.
Today you will be doing content about Isili. Sawa. So guys, let's keep on walking. Wapi? Acha tupite hii side nyingine. Nothing too much, bro. How are you? I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. Have you ever seen me in this area? No. You've never? Do you love music? Somehow you love music. And you're so humble, bro. This guy is so humble. YouTube, Claudia Works. We are everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Claudia Works.
Okay.
Now today I'm interacting with men only. Not only men, but everyone.
Everyone.
Yes. And if you answer all my questions, you just receive a free hug.
Huh?
Yes. Today have you received a hand hug? No. For free. You'll get one. Are you a lover of music? Do you know a guy by the name Vybz Kartel? Your daughter knows that. Okay. Are you okay? Which type of music do you love? Gospel. Aya, nalo. Kamoja pale tuwachangamshe.
Nalo.
Tuimbia kamoja. Tuimbia ka gospel kamoja pale. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much. I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. Sawa. Pale kwa YouTube tajiona leo jioni ama kesho. Sawa. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Yes, so guys, let's keep on. We are just. Oh, thank you. You want the hand?
Good girl.
This is so amazing. Do you love music? Do you love music?
I love it.
Do you know Vybz Kartel?
Yeah.
Who is Vybz Kartel? Who is Vybz Kartel? Hebu tuimbie kamoja basi, kasong kamoja kenye unajua. Either Mogidi, either Bongo, any song.
Wajerire, liukambia lila loli, totwe maiko.
Tuendelee? Let's continue.
Liukambia lila loli, totwe maiko.
Thank you so much, bro. Claudia Works. I'm just having fun. I hope you are enjoying too. If you like the video, kindly subscribe. Watch the video today. Follow me. Having fun. I hope you are enjoying too. So, guys, I know some people don't like Vybz Kartel, so don't come to my comment section saying oh blah 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 blah. No. That's according to them. Me, I'm not fan of music. Anyway, what do you think about Vybz Kartel?
Vybz Kartel is Vybz Kartel. Even the vibes can tell.
So amazing. Oh, how do you find Isili streets, so far?
Isili is a vibe.
Isili is a vibe.
Yeah.
Everybody, everyone, everything here is just a vibe. So make sure you subscribe. Don't miss. You can't get bored with Claudia Works. Hi, you're good. Ooh. And then we are here. Back to my guys. Wasalimeni kidogo tu. Nishiki hapa nikae nao kidogo. Nitatoshea.
Atatoshea.
Mimi nikadonye bana. Hapa unaenda wapi? Pasana, these are my great friends from Isili, and guys, they have been so supportive. Sijui nimejipaka nini, but don't worry. They have been so supportive to my YouTube channel, and guys, thank you. So today we are going to talk about Vybz Kartel. You know Vybz Kartel?
Vybz Kartel.
Unamujua? What do you know about Vybz Kartel?
Unajua tu ni mwimbaji.
Unajua ni mwimbaji. He is a musician, Unajua song moja yake?
sijui title.
Hujui title yote lakini unajua kidogo tu.
Yenye naweza kuchezea sasa.
Si tuko hapa na wewe bana.
Kila siku.
Hiyo tu kidogo unakumbuka. Ukumbuki? Akumbuki. You can't remember but you love Kartel.
Sana. Jamaa wangu wewe.
What do you love about him?
Anatetea tu rights za wazee.
He's fighting for the rights of people. What else?
Hiyo sana.
Anything you dislike about him? Nini upendi kuhusu yeye?
Kartel. Sina kitu najua.
So you love everything about Vybz Kartel.
Naona tu ako sawa.
Ako sawa? Okay, sawa. Back to you. Si unamjua huyo mjamaa?
Namuelewa.
Unamwelewa? What do you know about Vybz Kartel?
Najua tu ni musician.
He is a musician. What else?
Namjua tu sijui kama mambo mengine but hiyo tu mambo na hizo mambo na hizo.
Unajua song moja yake? Do you know one song?
Yes, najua kama title moja hii ya Summertime.
Twende.
But kucheza
tuonyeshe tu kidogo tu, nitakusaidia. Mimi niko hapa nikusaidie. I'm going to assist you.
Hiyo sema ukifika ni pande ya kuiba squaji sawa.
Haina shida, pia mimi sijuangi. Imagine tuko hapa tunasaidiana. We are here to help each other. So kidogo tu tuanze.
Nasikia hapo anasema Summertime.
Yes, ndio hiyo tu, ndio hiyo. That one now.
Summertime in a country.
Wow. At least he knows him. Anything you dislike about Vybz Kartel? Nini upendi kuhusu Vybz Kartel?
Hizo matatu mingi anakuanga amechora hizo.
This guy does not like Vybz Kartel tattoos. Vybz Kartel, if this video reaches you, you better remove these things for this guy. Sindo? Yeah,
but my side
that's according to you. Kila mtu akona view yake kumuhusu. So you don't like his about tattoos, na vile tu ana teach my young people. Unaona aje? Aendelee hivyo ama aje? Tuko studio kaha. So nini ingine ambayo upendi kuhusu? What else?
Ako sawa.
Everything about Oh, thank you. Sawa. Today whoever is appearing on my YouTube channel, I'm giving a free hug. So whoever, are you comfortable? Oh, thank you so much. Now
she's a Jamaican girl. Na huyo na mzito.
Na mzito. Huyo ako sawa. He is okay. I know him but he is okay. So let's go.
He's consuming this cat.
Oh. This is our weed here in Africa, Kenya. This is our weed. This is not weed.
Do you like this bomb?
This is not weed, but anyway. I've never tasted this anyway. I'm trying. Mogoka, it's cat.
Yes, not weed.
Not weed, it's our weed. There is another guy here. Let me go and meet him. Kuja hapa bro. How are you? I'm here with you bro.
Come here guy. Young man come here.
Young man come here anyway, he's shy. Hey bro. Rafael, you know me? You know me?
I don't know.
You don't remember me, but you have been seeing me on the street. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
We are Mwagi.
You are Mwagi.
Yeah.
Wairia. I'm
I
a
like
Mwagi ho.
eating peanuts, yeah?
So Mwagi, do you know Vybz Kartel? You don't know Vybz Kartel? Do you love music?
Yeah.
Do you know Jamaica?
Yeah.
Do you know some artists in Jamaica? You know Jamaica. What do you know about Jamaica?
I like
then?
Kenyan songs.
You like Kenyan songs?
Yeah.
Tupatie moja. Tupatie moja kali.
Sasa nani ya Kikuyu.
Haina shida, hiyo ndio tunataka. That's what we want. Kamoja.
Msongea kai hapa.
Songea tukae hapo mimi na wewe.
Your vibe is vibe.
Since he doesn't know any of Vybz Kartel song, he doesn't know who is Vybz Kartel. Now he's going to sing for us a Kenyan song. Let's go.
It's a Kikuyu song.
It's a Kikuyu song. Kikuyu is a tribe here in Kenya. You know we have 48 tribes here in Kenya. Aya twende. Let's go.
Muthuri werute kamba iyo waturia njoero utongo taroneka. It means men eat your money.
Eat your money.
Yeah.
Men eat your money. What about ladies? Should eat what?
Forget the ladies.
Or eat your money.
If you want to get rich, forget the women and alcohol. That's a good advice.
Yes, that's a message to you guys. You are watching this video, I hope. That's a nice message to you. Okay, thank you so much.
Come for peanuts.
Come for peanuts here in Kenya. People are happy. Anyway, asante sana.
Wow.
Asante sana means thank you so much. So let's continue walking. Wow. Guys, me I'm mugging people. Don't come for me. Hi, how are you? You wanna say hi to my fans? Oh, the way you are so cute, my God. No, you are so cute. Say hi to my fans. Oh, he's shy, my God. Anyway, you have to respect him. Yes. This is easily full of vibes. Full of vibes. You can see, even the security is tight. You can see a police officer somewhere there. Oh. Beautiful, easily, beautiful, easily, beautiful. Oh my God, Nico. My brother. Nico, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, eh?
I'm fine.
The streets.
Yeah.
Okay, today we are talking about Jamaican artist called Vybz Kartel. You know Vybz Kartel?
I'm not a Jamaican.
But you know Vybz Kartel?
I know them.
What do you know about Vybz Kartel?
Like a good man, yeah? But like a dancer. You will watch the reggae, marusi, everything. It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
And where are you running to?
I'm going somewhere.
You're going somewhere?
Let I tell you, go and see that area in the Alma. You'll get me there.
Sawa, thank you. Hey, that guy is ever chewing me rat. That is cat. So we have to cross on the other side, so we need to be also careful. This is how we normally cross Kenyan road. So you have to be keen, man. It's okay, thank you. You can see how Kenyan people are so disciplined. Nikuja mrembo, uko aje? Wasalimia kidogo.
Hi. Niajeni. Uko fiti.
Uko fiti?
Yeah.
Unaona hapa unauza socks, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, leo nakusaidia kuuza. How much does this socks cost?
51.
Come. 300, moja 50 pop sister. Nico bro.
Sisi ni Andy.
I'm back to the streets. Guys, I'm famous. Anyway, today we are talking about a Jamaican artist called Vybz Kartel. Do you know Vybz Kartel?
Yeah.
What do you know about
World Boss.
World Boss.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, people here in Kenya, in Africa, loves this guy. But anyway, let's know why. What do you love Vybz Kartel? Unapenda Vybz Kartel kwa nini?
I listen to his songs. You know about Sadis, chicken back, chicken neck, chicken wing. He is dancing.
Okay. Yeah. Is there anything you dislike about him or you don't like about him?
No.
You love everything about Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, sing for us one song.
One song?
Yes.
We know about Sadis, chicken back, chicken wing, chicken neck, chicken legs. Wagwan, money, look at them.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. A message to him.
I love Vybz Kartel.
You love him so much. And anyone who normally supports Vybz Kartel?
Who?
And a message to anyone who supports Vybz Kartel.
Follow Vybz Kartel, World Boss.
World Boss. People love Vybz Kartel here. Now you guys, you are happy that he came out of prison, right?
Yeah.
Anything you expect from him?
More dance song.
More dance song.
From him.
From him?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I can see you are busy, you have customers, and I have to respect. This is business. People are ever busy here. So let's go. Thank Thank you so much. Leo nawapatia watu wanajipa sawa sawa. People mean business. Even if they are busy, they have to appear on my videos. Hey, how are you? Marhaba. Sasa, wasalimia kidaga?
Uko sawa?
Wanakuita nani?
Naitwa Pio. Ni wapi hapa kwanza?
Tuko hapa YouTube Claudia Works.
Sema natakaje?
Tunataka kukuuliza kama unapenda music. Do you love music?
Music ni dawa ya roho.
Oh, music is a, how do I translate it?
Medicine.
That medicine.
Inaleta raha.
Okay, which music do you love most?
Mimi napenda rumba.
Ha?
Rumba.
Rumba. Tuonjeshe kidogo pale. Niko hapa nasaidiana na wewe.
Imetosha.
Imetosha. Do you love Vybz Kartel? Unajua Vybz Kartel?
Nasikia anakuja baba.
Anakuja Kenya. Oh, he heard that Vybz Kartel is coming to Kenya. So, what do you love about it? Nisonge tukae hapa. Nisonge tukae hapa. Okay.
Kuja from Vybz Kartel ndo. Kuja. Bazeka kuja.
Everyone is looking at us. Anyway, so what do you love about Vybz Kartel? Jatosha.
Chorea basi.
Nichore basi. I think he is shy, but anyway, he is not shy. He has got a customer to take him somewhere. He's a rider here in his place. So if you're watching this video, you normally visit his place. These are my people, man. Look at them. If you meet a work, I'm Claudia Works. Peleka YouTube. Hi, Sasa. Sawa sawa, make sure umenifollow, umesubscribe, TikTok, Instagram, tuko hapo.